Okay, I think we're ready. This is the story of David and Goliath. Okay? Samuel 1. A champion named Goliath, who was from Gath, came out of the Philistine camp. He was over 9 feet tall, he had a bronze helmet on his head, and wore a coat of scale armor of bronze weighing 5,000 shekels. On his legs he wore a bronze greaves, and a bronze javelin was slung on his back. The spear shaft was like a weaver's rod, and its iron point weighed 600 shekels. The shield bearer went ahead of him. Goliath stood and shouted to the ranks of Israel, "Why do you come out and line up for battle? I am not a Philistine, and you are not the servants of Saul. Choose a man and have him come down to me. If he is able to fight me and kill me, we will become your subjects. But if I overcome him and kill him, you will become my subjects and serve us."
I can't believe it. He's so big.
Now that's what I call a giant. You think he can see us?
He's coming straight down.
Ooh, that was close.
You can say that again.
Ooh, that was close.
I hear no one has come forward to fight him. The king is waiting for someone to volunteer.
Well, it looks like it's gonna be a long wait. Hey, why is everyone hiding?
What's the matter with you? Do you want him to see us?
Who? You mean that big ugly guy out on the field? He's going to see me pretty soon. I'm going to fight him. But I brought you your lunch first.
Yeah, right, that's a good one.
Yeah, little brother baby's gonna fight the giant. Well, I mean it. I'm going to fight him. I can't believe no one has volunteered yet.
Now stop teeing around, little brother. Going up against this guy will be suicide. You'll be dead meat.
But I don't think you get it. I was almost dead meat before. Remember when that bear attacked my flock?
Yeah, I thought you were a goner.
I thought I was a goner too. But when I saw that bear taking off with one of our father's sheep, I went after it and killed it. Not because I was so strong, but because God was with me. He gave me the strength to do it. And since God helped me kill a bear, He can help me defeat this giant too.
Well, I think you're crazy.
Don't do it, David. You can't go out there against this guy all alone.
Don't worry, I'll be back for lunch. Besides, I won't be going out there alone.
As the Philistine moved closer to attack him, David ran quickly toward the battle line to meet him. Reaching into his bag and taking out a stone, he swung it and struck the Philistine. The stone sank into his forehead, and he fell face down to the ground. Thank you.